Hello students, welcome to HTech Current YouTube channel. So students, overall the environmental studies subject we have to see the simple and important questions only. So this PDF included the only important questions and overall 5 models are included. So watch full video and you can understand the every question and with answers also. So and before I told that we have to study the question and answer only. Don't study another multi-choice questions only. Multi-choice questions don't study. Only answer and questions only study because of understanding of question and answer is very important because of your writing in the external exam only answers only, not in the another examples. So we can go and study. We can start the model 1. The first question is the term environment has been derived from the French word so environ. The objective of environment education is all the above because of rise of consciousness and about the environmental condition to teach environmentally appropriate behavior, create an environmental ethics. So you can go for third one. Which of the following conceptual sphere of the environment is having the least storage capacity of matter? So atmosphere A. Which of the following component of the environment are effective transporters of matter? So answer is atmosphere and hydrosphere. Fifth question. Biosphere is the thin cell of organic matter on the surface of the earth comprising of all the living things. So we can go for sixth. Atmosphere consists of 79% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. So volume answer. Which of the following is a biotic component of an ecosystem? So answer option A, fungi. So question number 8. In ecosystem the flow of energy. Answer is C, unidirectional. So question number 9. Which pyramid is always upright? So energy pyramid. So 10th question. In complex ecosystems the degree of species diversity is high. So you can go for 11th question. The organism who directly feed on producers are called as a herbivorous. So 12th question. The sequence of eating and being eaten in an ecosystem is called a food chain. So 13th question. Which of the following is a producer in an ecosystem? Plants and some bacteria capable of producing their own food. And 14th question. Which of the following statement is false? So option C, energy is cycled. Energy is cycled in an ecosystem is a false. 15th question. The large reservoir of nitrogen in our planet. So option B, atmosphere. 16th question. In aquatic ecosystems and phytoplankton can be considered as a producer. Option B. 17th question. The basic requirement of human being are provided by nature. So 18th question. Environment is a life support system that includes all the above because of air, water and land. The environment is created. So that's why all the above. 19th question. In a ecosystem, biological cycling of material is maintained by all the above, producer, consumer and decomposers. So 20th question. Organisms which feed directly or indirectly on producers are called as a consumers. 21st question. The primary producer in a forest ecosystem are chlorophyll containing trees and planets. So 22nd question. Abiotic components included all the above, soil, temperature and water, all the above included. 23rd question. Which of the following statement is true? Green plants are self-nourishing. So green plants are self-nourishing and self-food creating plants. So 24th question. Primary consumer is a herbivorous. A predator is an animal that feeds upon another animal. 26th question. Access to food is mainly determined by household income. So why it is a food mainly determined by household income? The word environment is derived from the Greek word. Which among the following is a climatic factor? All the above. Pressure, humidity, temperature and all the above. The major atmosphere gas layer in its stratosphere is ozone. Which atmospheric sphere is the closest to the earth? Troposphere. Which of the following is a terrestrial ecosystem? All of the above. Ecological pyramid are studied of all the above because of pyramid numbers, pyramid of energy, pyramid of biomass, all the above. World Environment Day is at 5th June. 34th question. Factor responsible for balanced ecosystem are all the above. Which of the following is absorbed by green plant from the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide is absorbed by green plant from the atmosphere. Habitat refers to both AB, physical condition of the place where organisms live, chemical condition of the place where organisms live. 37th question. essential component of a social security are maintaining natural capital. Socio-economic security in environmental aspects involves to all the above. Fairness and equity in distribution, costs for complete existing generation, welfare of the present generation, intra and intergenerational equity of resources, all the above. 39 question. A food web consists of interlocking food chains. Which of the following statement are true? Energy can be converted from one form to another, but some percentage is lost into the environment. Which of the following condition must be fulfilled to ensure food security? All the above. Food must be available. Each person must have access to it. Food utilizers must fulfill nutritional requirements. So 42nd question. Earth Day is held every year, April 22nd. Eutrophication is a option C, the result to accumulation of plant nutrients in water bodies. 44th question. Major purpose of most of the dams around the world is irrigation. So biodiversity part. For 45th question. Biodiversity can be broadly classified into how many types? 4 types. Biodiversity is of importance as it offers option A, stability ecosystems. 47th question. The loss in biodiversity is not attributed to option D, use of sustainable products. 48th question. Biodiversity has an aesthetic value to age. Option A, true. 49th question. In how many ways does the conservation of biodiversity works? There are 2 types. Which one of the following is not an in situ conservation method? So, option A. 51 question. Which is one advantage of ex situ conservation? Option C. Genetic process for breeding long life. 52nd question. The area of national park range between 0.04 to 3162 kilometers. 53rd question. The activities of cultivation of land, timbers, harvesting is permitted to sanctuaries. Hotspot areas have a option D, high density of biodiversity. 55th question. Plants use gas for photosynthesis, carbon dioxide. Deforestation means destruction of forests. What percentage of its geographical area of country should be under forest cover? 33%, option D. About percentage of earth surface is covered by water? 71%. Option C. During a photosynthesis, trees produces option A, oxygen. Forests prevent a soil erosion by binding soil particle in their option B, roots. Forests prevent a soil erosion by bending a soil particle in their roots only. So 61st question. Major causes of deforestation are all the above. Shifting cultivation, raw material for industries, fuel requirements. So all the above. 62nd question. Which of the following statement about forest is not a correct? Option D, none of the above. Forest reduces soil erosion, it is wrong, and provides a source of economic development, it is right. So first one is right, second one also right, and third one also right. Provides a recreational opportunities, it is correct, but it is answers is correct. Forests are extremely important because of the all the provided a habitat for wildlife, provided a clean water and clean air, provided recreation and change from the hectic urban life. Deforestation means of option C, conservation of forest and for agriculture and pasture and homes act. Option model 2, natural resource management. So how much of India coastline is vulnerable to disaster? 5,700 kilometers. How much percentage of the land mass is prone to earthquake in India? Around 58%. How many hectares of India land are prone to floods and river erosion, around 40 million hectares. When did National Disaster Management Authority formed? 2005. Hazards and disaster are mainly classified as natural and human induced. Threat to property and lives from calamities. Option B. So seventh question, disaster is an event arising out result of hazardous event. Eighth question, the typical example of man-made disaster are all the above because of chemical explosion, leakage of toxic waste, and war and civil strife. Ninth question, what are the consequences of disaster on a society? All the above because of loss of life and damage of property and environmental damages. So that's it, all the above. The scientists study the earthquake is called as a seismology. So 11th question, disaster management includes all the above because of mitigation, reconstruction, rehabilitation. 12th question, the term disaster is derived from which of the following language? French. Disaster derived from the French word. 13th question, disaster management covers all the above because of maintaining control over disaster, reducing the effect of disasters, briefing the top officials of government on the effect of disaster. Mass killing diseases can be referred as a biological disaster. What are the important measures to be taken in community level disaster and preparedness? All the above because of increased awareness, provisions of earth and timely warning, and land use planning. Under which Ministry of National Disaster Management Authority comes? Ministry of Home Affairs. Disaster management refers to manage the disaster response in a country. It is a true. Who heads the National Crisis Management Committee? Cabinet Secretary. When did the disaster management form? 2005. Where the International Tsunami Center located? Honolulu. 21st question. South Africa is a leading exporter of which minerals? Gold. Option D. 22nd. Which option is correct when we only accomplish 2 out of 3 pillars of sustainable development? So option all the above. So 23rd question, the word sustainable development come into existence in the year of 1980. The United National Commission of Sustainable Development was started by the UN General Assembly in the year of 1992. After mining the 25th question, after mining the hug holes left behind is used for waste disposal. 26th question, mercury and lead are toxic elements which causes a land contamination. The other word, so 27th question, the other word of landscaping is restoration. 28th question, whenever the piece of the minerals remains high, the firm seeks for new deposits. Option D. 29th question, which of the option is not incorporated as a sustainable development parameters? Option D. None of the above. 30th question, cloud seeding with silver iodide is based on the Bergeron process. So this type of answers we have to remember. So Bergeron process. 31st question, why do clouds present a source of heat for the atmosphere? So option D, cloud formation releases latent heat to the air. 32 question, what is a cloud seeding? Option here given is another options, one only. So 1, the addition of substances to the cloud to make a rain. 33 question, which of the following is used to seed warm clouds? Silver iodide. Which of the following has been used to seed clouds? To answer, one only, silver iodide. The cloud droplets in a cloud are formed by water vapor molecules. And option C, hygroscopic nuclei. 36 question, clouds are classified and named according to their altitudes and water contents from our appearance. Model 3. Environmental pollution is due to both A and B, rapid urbanization and deforestation. Which of the following is an air pollutant? Carbon dioxide. Which of the following are a natural source of air pollution? All the above. Volcanic eruptions, solar flare, and earthquake. Fourth question, which of the following are biodegradable pollutants? Domestic sewage. Fifth question, mining practices lead to loss of organic and fertile land. Sixth question, which of the following is a source of fly ash? Thermal power plant. Seventh question, the liquid waste from baths and kitchens is called solag. Eighth question, noise pollution can be minimized by reducing a noise at the source. BOD, biochemical oxygen demand. BOD means of biochemical oxygen demand. Which of the following, so 10th question, which of the following industry generates a colored waste? Textile industry. 11th question, physical pollution of water is used to turbidity. 12th question, which of the following source is a surface water? Option B, streams. 13th question, deforestation can, so option B, introduce silt in the rivers. Introduced silt in the rivers. 14th question, which of the following is non-point source of water pollution? Urban and suburban land. 15th question, sound behind which of the following level can be regarded as a pollutant? 18 dB. 16th question, which of the following is a major source of thermal pollution of water bodies? Thermal power plant. Smoke is a combination of smoke and fog. Air pollution from automobiles can be controlled by fitting of catalytic converter. 19th question, which of the following statement about carbon monoxide is true? Option D, A and C. A is forms complexes and hemoglobin. C, formed by the incomplete combustions of a fossil fuel. 20th question, which of the following is a point source of water pollution? Option D, A and B. So factories, sewage treatment plant. 21st question, define the noise is unwanted noise, unwanted sound. 22nd question, noise pollution is controlled by all because of reducing the noise at the source, preventing its transmission and protecting the receiver. 23rd question, noise pollution limits at residential area is a 45 dB. Noise pollution. 24th question, noise pollution limits an industrial area 65 dB. 25th question, which of the following are non-biodegradable? Both A and C. A is a plastic and B is a domestic sewage. 26th question, which of the following is a secondary air pollutant? Option C, ozone. 27th question, pesticides causes all the above because of option A, eye irritation, B, skin irritation and respiratory ailments. 28th question, blurring sound known to cause all the above: high cholesterol, mental distress, neurological problem. 29th question, which of the following is a major cause of soil pollution? Option A, accident involving vehicle that are transporting waste materials. Option B, pesticides and chemical fertilizers. Option C, improper solid waste disposal. All the above. 30th question, Minamata disease is caused due to mercury. So we can go for another topic. Third model, air pollution and automobile pollution. So first question is the major automobile pollutants included carbon dioxide and nitro oxide, I think. So hydrocarbons and SPM. Petroleum based vehicles emit trace of aldehydes and heavy duty diesel vehicle contributes more of both A and B, NOx and particulate matter. Fourth question, major pollutants from the high petrol vehicles of CO2 and the carbon oxides and hydrocarbons. Fifth question, a 4-stroke engine produces a less of the following as compared to 2-stroke engines: CO2 and hydrocarbons. Option A. Sixth question, alternative eco-friendly fuel for accomplishes is CNG. Seventh question, increases sign asthma attacks has been linked to high level of option C, airborne dust particle. Eighth question, population expansion will cause stress on ecosystem. Ninth question, Which of the following is having a high population density? Option A, India. 10th question, which of the following is not the effect of urbanization? Option B, thermal pollution. 11th question, which one of the following is a facility that the urban people enjoy? Better communication access. Urbanization is option C, both A and B, local environmental issue, national environmental issue. 13th question, which of the following is the ill effect of urbanization? All the above. Because of decreases the agricultural land, loss of water bodies, loss of greenery. 14th question, the major cause of global population growth in the 18th and 19th century. So, answer is industrial revolution. 15th question, the world population in 2000 was around 6.1 billion. 16th question, the average life expectancy around the world is currently increasing. 17th question, which of the following is the problem not associated with the population growth? None of the above. 18th question, the major objectives of family welfare program is a received welfare program in India. Option B, population growth rate control. So 19th question, population aging is a all the above. The increases in the average age of the population, the result of decreases in the death and birth rates, the trend where more people live in reach old age, while fewer children are born. 20th question, which of the following is not a population characteristics? Gross domestic product growth rate. Demography is the study of population growth. 22nd question, which of the following is not a solution for global warming? Deforestation. It is C, option C. 23rd question, the meaning of global warming increases in the temperature and climate, option A. 24th question, global warming may bring about the following change in the climate of the earth. So option D, all the above. 25th question, which greenhouse gas is known as a colorless, non-flammable and sweetest indoor and laughing gas? Option C, nitrous oxide. 26, the first of the major environmental protection act to be promulgated in India, Water Act. So 27th question, which of the following substantially reduces CO2 emission from automobiles? Biofuels like ethanol and biodiesels. 28th question, the environmental protocol to protect the ozone layer. Option D, Montreal Protocol. 29th question, the petrol that reduces the greenhouse gases emissions. So Kyoto Protocol. 30th question, population expansion will cause all the above. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gases? Sulfur dioxide. Global warming, cloud effect, all the above. Melting glaciers, increases in sea level, climate. 33rd question, primary cause of acid rain around the world is due to sulfur dioxide. 34th question, which of the following is not a solution for global warming? Deforestation, C. Which of the following is an air pollutant? Particulate matter. Waste management and public health topics. So the population of health waste, hazardous waste is a 15%. Second question, the amount of waste infections produced in hospitals, 45%. Third question, cytotoxic and expired drugs are disposed by an incineration. Fourth question, average hospitals waste produces per bed and per day in government hospitals, 0.5 to 4 kg. Fifth question, autoclaving and microwaving are done for which of the following types of medical wastes? Recyclable contaminated waste. Sixth question, the color code of the plastic bag for disposing and microbial laboratory culture waste. Option D, red. The placenta is disposed often in the color bag. Option 3, yellow. High priority in triage. Triage is for red color. Ninth question, false statement about yellow bags. Intravenous tubes and catheters are disposed of in it. So intravenous tubes and catheters are disposed of in it. 10th question, Size of the dust particle increasing, reaching alveoli. So, greater than 5 microns. 11th question. All of the following waste can be incinerated except reactive chemical wastes. 12th question. For a disposal of the hospital refuse, the bag made with the cadmium is not used because of incineration of the bag causes a poisonous toxic fumes evolution. The color of the bag is red. 13th question. Blood bag is disposed of in yellow bag. Which of the following is not a high heat system for treating a biomedical wastes? Autoclaving. So 15th question. Biomedical waste can be effectively managed by the thermal process. True. The World Health Organization has classified the biomedical waste into 4 categories. 17th question. Which of the below is not idea behind solid waste management? Stop waste generation. 18th question. The term ISWM refers to integrated solid waste management. 19th question. Under which rule of the government guidelines for solid waste management are followed today? Solid waste rules 2016. 20th question. The average composition of municipal solid waste 41% organic, 40% of insert and 19% recyclable. 21st question. What is the iron and steel constituent of e-waste? 50% of. 22nd question. Which of the following element e-waste hazardous in nature? Lead. 26th question. 23rd question. In 2006, the IAER projects that electronic and electrical appliances could become e-waste by 2010. 3 billion. 24th question. According to the Comptroller and Auditor General's report, that is the amount of e-waste generated annually. 4 liter. 25th question. What is the hazardous pollutant released from the LED? Arsenic. 26th question. What is a hazardous pollutant released from electron tubes? Barium. 27th question. What is the hazardous pollutant released from batteries? So cadmium. What is a hazardous pollutant released from circuit board? Lead. What is the hazardous pollutant released from telephones? Lithium. What is the hazardous pollutant released from calculators? Mercury. 31st question. Which of the hazardous pollutant occurs in plastics? Printed circuit boards. 32nd question. Industrial and municipal slug. Option D. Settleable solids. 33 question. Secondary slug includes a treated savage slugs. True. The slugs treated helps in reducing a treatment costs. Option A. True. What is the term used for reuse of savage sludge? Biosolids. 36th question. In which year was the term biosolids introduced? 1998. 37th question. What is the first step in the sewage treatment process? Thickening. So model 4. The pH value of the acid rain water is 5.7. So pH value of the acid rain is 5.7. The primary cause of the acid rain around the world is sulfur dioxide. Which of the following is the remedial measure of acid rain? All the above. Reducing the release of oxides of nitrogen and sulfur into the atmosphere. Use of coal free from sulfur. Use of electrostatic precipitator and catalytic converters. That's why all the above. 4th question. Acid rain can be controlled by reducing a sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide emissions. 5th question. Atmospheric oxidation of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide influenced by all the above. So sunlight, humidity, presence of hydrocarbons. 6th question. Reduction of brightness of the famous Taj Mahal is due to air pollution. 7th question. The effect of acid rain reduces soil fertility. 8th question. The process of movement of nutrients from soil by the acid rain is called as leaching. Ozone layer is present in stratosphere. Which of the following statement about ozone is true? All the above. Because of ozone is a major constituent of protochemical smoke. Ozone is highly reactive. Ozone protects us from the harmful UV rays, UV radiance of sun. 11th question, major composer responsible for the destruction of stratospheric ozone layer is a CFC. Ozone layer thickness is measured in Dobson units. Normal average thickness of the stratosphere ozone layer across the globe is around 300 Dobson units. Chlorofluorocarbon are all the above. Non-toxic, non-flammable, non-carcinogenic, all the above. 15th question, ozone layer absorbs the UV rays. 16th question, which of the following is not an ill effect of acid rain causes a cataract? 17th question, forming of ozone layer is explained by Chapman's reaction. 18th question, each chlorine free radical can destroy the following number of ozone molecules: 1 lakh. Freons are CFCs. 20th question, which of the following statement about ozone is true? All the above. Ozone depletion causes a snow blindness. 22nd question, which of the following statement is not true and animal husbandry? It is the protection of wildlife. 23rd question, which of the following is the purpose of animal husbandry? Production of meat. Domesticated animals are used for all the production of meat, production of fiber, dairy products. 25th question, acid rain has been increasing day by day due to industrialization. 26th question, ozone hole was first discovered over Antarctica. 27th question, CFC have been used all the above in fragrance, solvents, blowing agents for polymer forms. 28th question, World Ozone Day is being celebrated on September 16th. Bhopal gas strategy used due to leakage of so option B, sulfuric acid. Animal husbandry result, global warming. So fifth model, Environmental Act was enacted in the year of 1986. The Air Act is enacted in the year of 1891. The Water Act was enacted in the year of 1974. The Wildlife Protection Act was enacted in the year of 1972. Fifth question, the Forest Act was enacted in the year of 1980. Sixth question, the first major Environmental Protection Act was promulgated in the India was the Wildlife Protection Act. Seventh question, the Central Pollution Control Board was established under the provision of Water Act of 1974. You can make a small trick because of it is a lot of some years are there, so you have to make a simple trick. First consider the E and air was A and W was water and wild forest, and make the serial wise, and here also given in the 1986 and 1981. First we have to take a 1972, 1974, 1980, 1981, 1986. Like this we can make a small trick. Seventh question, the Central Pollution Board was established under the provision of Water Act of 1974. The Karnataka State Pollution Control Board was established in the year of 1974. Environmental protection is the responsibility of all. 10th question, Earth Day is observed on April 22nd. Which of the following is NGO Narmada Bachao Andolana? 12th question, which of the following is empowered to take measures to protect and improve environmental as per central government? 13th question, which of the following is the authority to monitor industrial effluents? Option B, State Pollution Control Board. The leader of Chipko movement, Sunderlal Bahuguna. 15th question, the Environmental Act 1986 deals with all. 16th question, the objectives of Wildlife Act 1972, all. The Tiger Conservation Project was started in 1973. 18th question, the goal of National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary is conservation of wildlife. Environmental education is targeted to all. 20th question, which of the following animal is integrated species in India? Black buck. 21st question, which state is having a highest women literacy in India? Kerala. An international conference of environmental education was held in December 1982 in New Delhi, at New Delhi. 23rd question, environmental protection is a fundamental duties of the citizen of India under the article of 51A of G, subsection of G. The objective of integrated child development services, all the above. ISO 14,000 standards deal with environmental management. World Summit on Sustainable Development held at Rio de Janeiro 1992. An important NGO involved in global environmental protection is Greenpeace. The first International Earth Summit was held at Rio de Janeiro. Silent Valley Environment success in the cancelling the state government Hydel project and saving the lion-tailed monkeys. 30th question, the committee which submitted its report to Government of India Environmental Education is Tiwari Committee. So yes, completed all 5 models, and these questions are very so many times are repeated in the question papers, so that's why it is separately made. And if you go for model wise, the one model will compares the 100 and something questions are covered. So before previous questions are will come covered. So these questions are very important and so many times repeated. So guys, thank you.